In this tutorial, I will show you how to use LineChart. So as you can see, it has items connect to each other with line segments. X-axis has months, Y-axis has temperature. Then it will give you a title as well. So in this case, I have two series, low temperature and high temperature of a particular area. Let's create a new project. Let me copy package to FXL document. This is going to be tutorial number 46. Let me remove button and label. Then anchor pane layout. I will enlarge to 640 to 400 pixels. Line chart. Title of this line chart. Average high and low temperature. For FX ID, I will just say line chart. This is X-axis. I will name it as a month. This is the temperature, y-axis. Upper bound, I'm going to say up to 50 degree. Usually we get here until 40 degree. Highest temperature for that. Make the controller. This one I'll remove. I don't need it. Here I will say string and double. Again, we are using XYChart series and then string and then double. I will name it as a series high for high temperature. XYChart series, again semicolon. There is additional parenthesis. Let me remove it. Let me add one comment. Next one, we are going to add name for this series. I will just name it as a high for high temperature. Again, it's going to work as a legend for this chart. Next one, we are going to add data to series high temperature. So here X value for the month, Y value for high temperature. Straightforward. Get data and new XY chart, and then data, I will say January 28 degree. Make sure you put it double data type, 28.0, January all the way to May. Now we can add XY chart to the line chart. Clean and build, and you can launch it. So we can see months, January to May, and then y-axis, temperature 0 to 40 degree. And then here we can see high temperature. So let's add low temperature. I copy and paste it. Here let's change to series low. They represent low temperature. Change to low. So all these values we change to low. Here again we change to low. Series is low, and so on. Then I will adjust the numbers to be low temperature. Let's say 24, 28, 26. Again, this one should be at all series high and then series low. Something is missing here. Okay, low. Seems okay now. So now you have a line series for low temperature and then high temperature between January to May. And then we have a y-axis representing temperature from 0 to 40. And then line chart has a title as well. So very typical. Usually line charts you may like to use it if you have a very short period of time frame with some series of data sets. Over time you may use a line chart. So that's all I think. Thank you.